Hello everyone, welcome back to the Power BI series. In today's video, we will explore View tab in Power Query Editor. Let's start by importing the data first. I have stored the data in Excel workbook, so I will click on the respective connector. I will select the required data and now I will click on Open. Now you will be able to see a navigator pen. This is the name of the workbook and this is the sheet which is present in that workbook. So there is only a single sheet, and when you click on that you will be able to see the preview of the data on the right side. At the bottom there are three options: load, transform data and cancel. So the load and the transform data option, these two options are disabled because I haven't clicked on this checkbox. So unless and until I click on this checkbox, the two options, load and the transform data options, won't be getting enabled. So I will click on this checkbox. Now if you click on the load option, then the same data will be loaded inside your Power BI desktop, and if you click on the transform data option, then the same data will redirect it to Power Query Editor for the data transformation. So I want to go to Power Query Editor. I will click on the transform data option. Now by default I am present in the home tab. I hope you are all are familiar with the Power Query interface. Now I will go to View tab now. Here there are multiple options, so let's explore each and every option. So the first option is the query settings. So this option will toggle the pen on the right side of the Power Query Editor, where you can see the applied steps, the name of the query and the properties. So this option is helpful for that. Then there comes the next option, which is formula bar. So this formula bar will display or hide the formula bar above your data preview. So this is your data preview, right? And above that there is a formula bar. So you can display it or you can hide it according to your requirement. Then there is a monospaced option. So it will display your data preview in this monospaced format, or you can say font, monospaced font. Then there is option called as show white space. So if there are any white space or the new line characters that are present in your data, you will be able to see those when you click on this option. The next option is the column quality. So this column quality, if you click on this checkbox, then you will be able to see a visual indicator for each and every column that is present in the respective table or the query, you can say. So this column quality will help you to show the percentage of the valid, error and the empty values that are present in that respective column. It's like a quick health check for data cleanliness before applying any kind of data transformation. Then there comes column distribution. So if you click on this option, then it will display the histogram of each and every column with the number of distinct and the unique values. Distinct means values that are different from each other, and unique means the values which are appearing just once. That is the difference between distinct and unique. Then there is next option called as column profile. So if you click on this column profile option, then it will give you the full statistical summary of the selected column, like count, errors, empty, mean, max, average, based on the data type of that column. So this is the textual data. So you are able to see, you are not able to see the sum, average, those kind of the values. But if you click on any numerical data, then you will be able to see all the properties related to that, all the statistical properties related to that respective column, right? Next option is this go to column. So this go to column option, this let you jump directly to the specific column by the name, and it is helpful for the wide columns, wide tables with the many columns. So if you click on this option and let's say I want to go to the order ID column back, I will click on that and I will jump directly to that column. Next, there is the advanced editor option. So if you click on this option, then it will open a window showing a full M code behind your query. It lets you view and edit the M code. I will click on cancel now. The next option is the query dependencies option. So this option will give you a visual map of how your queries are connected. It helps you understand your data flow and relationship between the queries at a glance. If this video helped you, give it a like, comment below your favorite feature from the view tab. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.